In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot email campaigns. This is a straightforward process that will elevate your marketing efforts and ensure that your messages reach the right audience at the right time. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To get started, open HubSpot and make sure you've logged into your account. Having a HubSpot account is essential as it provides you access to all the features and tools necessary for a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. The first important area to explore is the trial guide. This guide is a treasure trove of resources offering everything you need to start building your form effectively and efficiently. From your homepage, let's direct our attention to the marketing section. Click on Marketing and then select Email. If you're ready to create a brand new email, simply click on Create Email. At this point, you have the option to choose a sending method that best suits your needs, whether it's a one-time send or a more complex automated sequence. This step allows you to tailor your approach depending on your campaign strategy and audience. Once you've set that up, we're going back to the Marketing tab. This time, we'll focus on campaigns. Within this section, you can organize and manage your marketing initiatives in one place. Click on Campaigns, and you'll find the option to set up your new campaigns by clicking Create Campaigns. HubSpot provides flexibility here by letting you choose between starting from scratch or using a pre-existing template. Templates can be a time saver if you're looking for a little inspiration or direction, while starting from scratch gives you complete creative control. After you've made your selection, click Next. This is your creative space to edit the form as you see fit. Whether it's tweaking the text, adjusting the design, or ensuring the call to action shines through, this is your opportunity to tailor everything to your campaign's needs. Once you're satisfied with your edits, simply click Create, and there you have it. Your HubSpot email campaign is now set up and ready to make an impact. Remember, each step we went through today is a building block to achieving effective communication with your audience. Regularly refer back to your trial guide for additional tips and tricks as you continue to develop your marketing prowess. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to create compelling email campaigns with confidence.